Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install VLC Media Player on your Windows PC. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome. Here we will search for VLC Media Player. It's the official website. Click on it. Now click on download VLC. It will be start downloading soon. I already have downloaded it. Now click on the setup file. Here we will click on yes. Now please select a language and click on OK, then click on next, again next, again next. Now you will click on install. It will be installing the files. Also, if you want to show details, click on show details. It will show you all the files. It will be downloading. Now click on finish. Now you will see it will run VLC Media Player, or an icon will be automatically set on desktop. That's it. That's now you know how to install VLC Media Player on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.